I wanted to shoot an update video. As you can see, we've made a lot of progress since our last video. New sign just went in recently. We got our open sign and it's really coming together. We're really proud of the way it's turned out. And as we walk in the door, you'll see even more updates. The shelves are all on the wall. 48 shelves. Me and my wife hung every single one. She is the detailed one, so that helped get them straight, and we had a blast doing that. Definitely happy to have the construction phase over, and now it's been really fun to welcome our guests in and really get to know our community and really serve people like we want to. So you can see the shelves are full, lots of different glasses. Love being a part of this community too. Downtown Edmond is just getting started. Got the chance to meet a lot of our neighbors, and of course the bakery next door is always fun as well. Jessica's done a great job with the plants, and love the seating area. That's been a place where we've had just lots of great conversations. We're super proud of the way it's come together. Still have some other plans that we want to do, but for now we're up and running, seeing people, enjoying the time together, and stay tuned because Enjoy Optical is just getting started.